Hello students. In today's video, I am going to discuss about these patterns. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 1, then stars. And then this one is the third pattern, then fourth and fifth. Let us start with the first pattern. We already know two variables are required for this. For I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Then the second one, for j is equal to 1, j less than equal to 5, j plus plus. Then print percentage d. Then suppose I print I and j both. And I have to write percentage d again. Here I have to write new line so that I can print the data in next line after the second value of I. Suppose I execute this, semicolon is required here. Then execute the program. The output is like this: 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. These are the values of I and j. Now what is required now? The required content is 1 to 5 in first line. And second line is 1 to 4. Then 1 to 3 and 1, 2 and 1. Now first value is the fixed value. And the last value is changing. Basically, this value is the value of I. It means I have to reverse the loop of I. Then I minus minus. Here I have to write I. Then printing of j is required only. Now, first of all, understand the content, what I am writing. If value of I is equal to 5, j varies from 1 to 5. What is the meaning of this? If I is equal to 5, then j varies from 1 to 5. And what about second value? If I is equal to 4, then j varies from 1 to 4, like this. Similarly others. Let's execute the program. Yes, the contents are okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 1. Print then execute. This one is the value. These are the values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 1. These are the values. Now, this one is the first pattern. What about the second pattern? For second pattern, you can write here simply star, and j is not required for that. Then execute the program. Output is there: 5 stars, then 4, 3, 2 and 1. What about the third value? 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Now value is 1. In place of 1, in place of 2, value is 2. In place of 3, value is 0. Again, in place of 4, value is 1. In place of 5, value is 2. It means the content is J modulus 3, because the number when divided by 3 gives us the remainder 1. It means 4 when divided by 3 gives us the remainder 1. 5 when divided by 3 gives us the remainder 2. 3 when divided by 3 gives us the remainder 0. 1 and 2 as it is. Let's execute the program. Look at the output. Output is 12012, then 1201, 120, 12, and 1. Output is up to the mark. Delete this one. I think it's clear. Now what about the fourth value? These are the reverse value, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Basically we are reversing these value. No, it's not the reverse. Second content is different, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, then 5, 4, then 5. If I subtract these values from 6, I can obtain these values. 6 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 5. Similarly for others. Let us try that one. 6 minus j. Then execute the program. Yes, the values are there. The tricks may be different. You can use your tricks, but I am using different tricks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, then 5. You can use the content like this. Value of I is 5 to 1. Value of j varies from 5 to 1, then 5 to 2, then 5 to 3, then 5 to 4. It means I. This is the value of I. And j varies from 5 to I. And I is in increasing order and j is in decreasing order. You can do the programming like this also. Now what about the last one? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. To understand this content, suppose I print both the values of I and j so that I can understand what is the requirement. Execute the program. This one. Suppose this one is the content 5, 1, then 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 like this. These are the contents. Now first requirement is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's execute again. If I add both the values and subtract 1 from these, then I can obtain the answer. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5, and 7 minus 1, 6, then 7, 8, and 9. Here I can write 4 plus 1 minus 1. It is 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yes, these are the values. Let's try that one. I plus j. You can design your own patterns depending upon this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, and 1. Basically, these are the numbers in reverse order. 1, 2, 3, then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can print accordingly as per the requirement of the programmer. Thanks for watching my video.